Hello. So it's Christmas Eve and I'm gonna do some makeup. I don't really put some makeup on, but I'm gonna try this time. Okay, first I want to moisturize my face. I'm gonna put my eye cream. Let it dry. And then next is the moisturizer for my face. Well, actually, I'm gonna put my lip balm first. And let it dry for a few minutes.
A few minutes later.
I'm gonna put this under eye concealer. I use my fingers for now. And then I can use this to evenly distribute the concealer around my eyes. And then now I'm gonna use this Master Prime by Face Studio. It's a primer and base. And now I can use this long wear foundation, and you have to shake this very well. Okay, and then we'll put this on my face. I will try to put this evenly. So what I do is I just put it like this. So I will blend it in with this brush. I want natural look. These are really soft and there's a lot of bristles here. It can evenly distribute your foundation. All of the products I used here, they're very affordable. And I'm not allergic to them. I'm afraid of trying different kind of makeup because my skin is really sensitive. So I'm gonna do my eyebrow. I got this Revlon Colored Stay brow pencil. I chose brown. That's what they said. It should be lighter than your eyebrows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use eyeshadow. Oh, this is the tricky part. It's really hard. This is what my mom gave me. I even have this cheat sheet here. So it says shade. I'm gonna use the shade. It's two sides. Shade first. I plan on using this green. It's glittery eyeshadow because it's Christmas Day. The tricky part is to make sure that it's balanced. Use angled liner and do line and enhance eye shape. Okay, this is the angled liner. Alright, let's try this. I'm not afraid. Okay, now you have to blend. Number 4, smudge. Smudge shadow and liner along lash line. For my lips. Okay, so what do you think of this makeup? Do you like this? It's very simple, I think. This eye palette is from Ulta. Yes. Do I look fine to you? This is the best thing I can do right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna comb my hair. Alright, I do see that I have a lot of baby hairs. So I also bought this from Amazon. It's something like kind of like a gel type thing to make them like, you can comb them and then they will be they will flatten out. I don't know, I just got a lot of baby hair. I can also link it in the description below if you are interested in this. Kind of like a gel thing. Because even if my hair is wet, they don't follow me. Kind of want to just pull them out, but I shouldn't. Oh, there's more. Oh, shouldn't be the other way, I guess. Just tweak them all. Okay. Oh, there's more. Back of this. Trying to be pretty for Christmas Day. The powder and this soft brush, just gonna go around all over my face. Just use this Stay Matte powder.